This is Casey Stubbs from Winner's Edge Trading, and I'm following up with yesterday's trade call and trade setup. And also at the end of this, I have a short video from my trip to Nicaragua last week that I'd like you to take a look at if you're interested. And we wanted to see if anybody was able to guess yesterday where I was at, and nobody could, so I appreciate everybody that participated. So let's take a look at this pair. So we're currently in a range here. We dropped down and we had some support. As you can see, it touched into this area. It's been holding. We got support here, support here. We're currently in a pretty strong uptrend. We got a nice retracement drop down. If we even pull up a Fibonacci retracement here, you can see that we've got bouncing off the 61.8, and right now it's between the 61.8 and the 50. And if you were able to remember yesterday, I had said you could either enter in or you could wait for a pullback maybe to the center of this candle, and you would get a better price. So if you did that, you would able to made more money and you would have been up today. Right as it stands right now, I'm currently down about 13 pips, and I actually was able to buy some positions here on the pullback, and which I actually have already closed, and so I've made enough money on some of those short-term trades today to cover this trade. So I have a 2% risk on this trade right now, and if I ended up losing this trade, I've still made more than that on the pullback. So sometimes it's kind of good when you enter a long-term trade to look for pullbacks to see if you can catch positions in the idea of or in the direction that you were already looking at. And we can take a look and show you. I'm just jumping now to a 15-minute chart to show you what I did, and I'll pull up my template that I like to use with some custom tools. And so what I did here was, once I saw the pullback happening, I decided that it was going to go ahead and go long into this area, and I did that, and it popped way up here, and I got a really nice trade, you can see. And then because of the Fed announcement, it had a lot of activity today, but the rate hike was positive, I felt, for the dollar. So once I got out on this position, it dropped down here again, so I went long again, and it popped right back up again. So we had two positions to go long on pullbacks, and so it gave me two really good trades on the day, which is going to be huge long term. So you can see that it's got a nice rejection here along this level, and it looks like it could continue to move up. We might see some slowing over the holidays, but for the most part I'm still pretty confident in this trade, and I'm going to hold this position, but as it trades, if I get pullbacks, I'm going to continue to go long on this position while holding this long-term trend. So that's it. Please leave a comment on what you think about this trade or the rate hike or anything else, because I'm here to answer your questions. And up next is the video that I took while traveling in Nicaragua.
Hello, this is Casey from Winner's Edge Trading, and I'm here in Managua, Nicaragua. And I've been trading this morning and made some money. And one of the great things about what I do is that it allows me to work wherever I'm at. And being able to trade gives me the freedom that I don't have to show up to work every day. I can go when I want and where I want. And it's been so helpful to me in my life. I've been able to travel to see my family. I've been able to travel on vacation. There is no boundaries. As long as you can get a cellular connection or a wireless connection, you're good to go. And it not only provides you freedom, but it also provides you with the financial element so that you have enough money that you can pay for these trips. And it's not that I'm extravagant and I spend all this money, although I could afford quite a bit, but the important thing is that I have the freedom to go and I have the money to do it with. And I've got to be honest, not too many jobs do that, so that's why I'm really thankful. And just want to encourage people, if they really want to get into trading, they should really check it out, because it is so good, not just for the fact that you're going to have money, but for the freedom that it provides and the ability to go visit your family and your friends and do all the things that you actually want to do. And I just got to say that it starts with your mindset. You got to make a decision that you're going to do it, and then believe in yourself that you can do it, and you too could be on the road, you could be at home, you could be wherever you're at, just not stuck in a job that you hate day in and day out. All right, well, that's it. Thanks a lot, and we'll see you soon.